Seriously, Roy came to me at a time where I was a little bit shocked that such a movie, and that too being offered a double role. Even though I was part of extremely big films, I was never really given performance-oriented roles. I was there, and I was a supporting cast mostly. But this one was a really big one for me. It really was a dream to work with Vicky, first of all, even though it's his directorial debut, because he was such an amazing director. He made the process of this whole double role challenge very easy for me. Then we also had, Arjun, who opened my eyes to so many things about acting and performing and having fun with my characters and having fun in a scene. That was the first time as well that I was working with Ranbir. So it was, a phenomenal experience.
You have to go to watch this film really from Kabir's point of view. Actually, it does, because his experiences and the way he meets characters in his life. Okay, if it is Aisha or if it is Roy, or Tia, or how they emerge in his life, really do have an effect on all their lives. He has an effect on all their lives. They have a huge impact on his life, and so that journey of is quite challenging for any actor, because he really does go through a lot of an emotional changeover that kind of happens to him, and but he is a very dignified guy, is what you kind of get to know. Luck is a very, very important factor in our industry. I've had a lot of bad luck. I've made a really good film, and then you just don't get as lucky with the music or with the promotions of it or with a producer who's backed it, and saying, I'm going to take it all the way there and promote it on that level. And that film kind of doesn't see the light of day on that level. That's not good luck, So I think being lucky is to get the right team and the right people together and get the right energies together. I don't think that's that critical also in my life. I think what's good about my life today, which I can say, is that I can do films for the correct reasons and not for the wrong reasons. There were times in my career where I've done films for which I wanted to buy a house or a car, or pay the bills or pay the rent. At least now I can sit back by the grace of God and say, okay, I'll wait till I can do what I really want to do.